Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Messenger conversation you want to change emoji color in. Tap and hold the specific message to bring up the reaction menu. This is faster than searching settings. Once the reaction tray appears, look for the emoji you want to adjust. Make sure you're on the latest Messenger version so the color option appears. If the emoji isn't visible, tap the smile icon to expand more reactions. This ensures you can access color. Once you've revealed the emoji and palette, choose the color you want. Tap a swatch to preview how the reaction will look in the chat bubble. You're changing a local setting that updates the reaction's appearance for everyone in the thread, so pick a hue that's visible and distinct. Make sure to release your finger after selecting to apply the color. If you want to change multiple emojis, repeat the same press and hold, then color select flow for each reaction you use. To finish, check that the colored emoji shows up in the conversation for you and other participants. This confirms the change applied properly. If the color option didn't appear or the reaction won't update, make sure Messenger is updated and restart the app, as the feature can be version dependent. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in or reinstall Messenger to clear caches. This often resolves sync errors and restores the color picker so you can complete the customization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.